Today is my birthday party.
How old are you turning?
5.
You are the big five. You are the big five.
I have this jacket my mom bought me.
So how do you feel?
4.
You still feel 4?
Yeah.
You don't feel 5?
I feel 5'5". I kind of 5 foot.
You just still feel 4?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I'm the biggest 5 ever.
Somebody's 5.
And it's me. It's me. It's me.
Good morning. Happy birthday. This is the first time you came and woke me up for your birthday. You never wake me up.
You had to wake
She woke up
me up.
She woke up the same time I woke up.
You had to wake up me.
I know, but I was still asleep.
How come you were still safe?
Got her little birthday outfit ready.
These socks.
You're wearing your sparklies. They're downstairs. Let's see your outfit. Let me fix your hair. Come on.
Papa.
Is there anything you want to say to the camera?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I want to say thank you, and I like my hair tie, and my birthday hair tie. It's like very cute.
We gotta fix it because this just keeps. Sorry.
And also, the white things are not like hide.
That looks good. It's just trying to make this work too. I don't know. Like that, I guess.
Birthday girl.
Maybe like that. That's better.
Yeah, it's better. It looks like a fluffy cloud. A fluffy cloud.
It's just not staying.
Birthday girl.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Step back so I can see your outfit.
Light.
Okay, we get in the picture. Got it.
Perfect outfit I need.
That's what the big 5 looks like. Right,
This
Mommy?
is the best thing I ever had, guys. Babe, happy is my birthday. Happy birthday. Peace and love. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Have a good day. Bye, Mommy.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Taking her a little something for her birthday.
Tomorrow we was gonna celebrate the 100 day.
Oh.
But it's fine. I want to do my birthday party. I like it.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, it's Nani. It's Nani calling. Jamila, say hi. She helping out, getting this place together for her birthday. Got these from Dollar Tree. Gonna put these in here. So cute. Mommy. Hi. What's going on, girl? It's the day of your party. I gotta show you something.
Is it the birthday?
Yes. Oh, look. Mommy, look.
Look.
What do you think?
It's the same thing as Layla's one.
Don't touch it.
I'm really happy you did this. And I love you too. My name is Cruz. Welcome to my channel. Today is my birthday party.
How old are you turning?
5.
Well, you turned 5 yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Okay, so I have the chicken in here. It's marinating. Got everything stocked up for the party.
I try to feed it like you little baby.
Ooh.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Cruz.
You gonna put your stuff over there? Look!
Violetta.
Hi, Violetta! Hi, Violetta's brother. You like it, Mommy? Oh, peace! What's going on? Okay, let's find Cruzy. You wanna find Cruzy? She's in there. She's doing crafts with her friends. Cruzy! Look, Mommy! Yeah. Oh, he got a present for you, Mommy. How cute.
Hi.
Hi, Cruz.
Look at your friends coming. Oh, 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 oh. Hi. Bye. You having fun? You having fun? Oh. Capture y'all. Yeah. Awesome. Woohoo. Okay, here you go, Mommy. Want your cupcake?
I like this. Bam. Bam.
Bam.
There we go.
So pretty.
Record already?
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cruz. Happy birthday to you.
I need the book candle.
Wait up.
Hurry. Oh,
Go, Cruz, go.
It's so tiny.
All the kids over here. Okay, that's from Maya. Oh, look at the Barbie. Wow, that's perfect. Connect 4. And look at that. Squishies. Oh, Dr. Playset. Nice. That's from you? Thank you so much. My sticker dress up book. That's so nice. Say thank you. Oh, Hello Kitty backpack. Oh, nice. That's so cool. Oh, what's that? It's a tent. Light bright. Here, let's open it and see. Oh my goodness! Walkie-talkies! Oh, K-pop! Yes, what do you guys want to say? That's it! Did you have fun?
Yeah!
You did? Awesome!
Birthday girl, we heard that. Next week you'll be on the zip line.
Oh, turn around. Let me see the roomy hair. Oh. No, I said, did you have a good party? And you said,
what party? What was you doing?
I threw the whole party.
How?
You didn't see me put the party together? I invited everybody. I cooked the food.
You didn't invite the rest of my friends.
I invited everybody.
We forgot the other ones.
They just didn't come. Why? That's not my fault.
I want another one.
Another what?
Party.
Oh, no. That's it. It's over. You're 5. Did you have the best party ever?